big injection molds. They're expensive, and right now you can't fly your project engineering teams over to China to qualify them. If you work with Jade, we've got the Westerners already on the ground here in China, and we can support your large mold builds. Yesterday we ran this oversized glass-filled nylon impeller. We also ran the back plate, let the parts cool overnight, and now we need to check the fit up today. There's tabs on the impeller that fit into the slots on the back plate, and it looks like a pretty good fit up. This is definitely going to pass.